Hello, my name is Vachaspati Bimali. By profession, I am an IELTS and PT instructor. In addition to this, I also teach other test preparation courses such as Oxford Test, OET, Duolingo, and TOEFL. I have been working in this field for the last 30 years. Currently, I teach these test preparation courses at Aji International Consultancy, which is located at Chavel in Kathmandu. This consultancy is located on the way to Juchepati. I mean on the way to Bauda and Jorpati. From Chavel Chowk, it takes nearly 5 minutes on foot. It's nearby. It lies just the opposite side of Pasang Lamu statue. And I'm appointed to teach here IELTS, TOEFLs, Duolingo, OET, and Oxford test. Apart from this, I give English language training to Nepalese people. We offer significant discounts to students who enroll in these courses and provide personalized feedback on their progress. Additionally, we conduct weekly mock tests to assess our students' English proficiency. Let me repeat this sentence again. We conduct weekly mock tests and we give constructive feedback on the progress of students. If our students are weak in spoken English, we motivate them to better their English proficiency by doing conversation with IELTS instructors and even with native speakers also. If you are interested to join IELTS, PT, TOEFLs and other test preparation classes, please pay visit to Aji International Consultancy. I would like to tell the landline number of this office, or before coming here, if you want to know more details about locations, you can give call at 01-459-2133. Let me repeat the number again. It's a landline number of our office, 01-459-2133. Before coming here, give us call, and if you have confusions regarding our locations and our staff members of this consultancy will give you proper locations. So today in this short YouTube video, I am gonna give you 3 wonderful tips about IELTS speaking part 1, part 2 and part 3. Okay, let me repeat the same sentence again. If you are keen interested in joining any of these courses, please feel free to visit our office. Our courses, our course fees are highly affordable for everyone. We never charge very expensive rate to our expensive fee to our IELTS students. Let me share some valuable tips for IELTS speaking part 1, 2 and 3. In IELTS speaking part 1, some of the students whom I have been teaching for many years, they give unnecessarily long answer, which is not good. What you need to do in IELTS speaking part 1, you have to give answer very clearly. Give a clear answer. Number one tip. Number 2 tips, add reasons to support your response. Always give reasons. Minimum 1 reason, maximum 2 reasons. You don't have to give more than 2 reasons. If you start giving 3-5 reasons, you may irritate your examiner. In IELTS speaking part 1, you have to give answers to the point and you have to give 2 reasons. Number 3, give a personal example to make it sound natural. What does it mean? Give a personal example to make it sound natural. Okay, you can give personal example even in IELTS speaking part 1 also. For example, okay, do you enjoy watching movies? if the examiner is going to ask you these questions, okay, do you enjoy watching movies, and how the IELTS test takers should give answer, let me give answers. Okay, now I'm acting as IELTS examiner and I'm acting as IELTS examinee. Okay, a student and teacher both. Okay, now again, if they ask questions like, do you enjoy watching movies, you have to give answers the way I am gonna give answers. Yes, I truly enjoy watching movies, especially thrillers and science fiction films. They help me after relax a long day and also improve my creativity. For example, I recently watched Inception and it made me think deeply about how dream works. Okay, I mean, you can give example in IELTS speaking part 1 also in order to give extended answers, a little bit extended but not much. Okay, in IELTS speaking part 2, examiner will always show you a printed paper. Okay, they will show you a printed paper and there you can see the questions, and always IELTS examiner will give you 4 bullet points. They always give you 4 bullet points. They give 4 bullet points so that you can speak on that topic very easily. Okay, so today I am not gonna speak much about IELTS speaking part 2. Okay, how do the examiners give you questions? They give you questions like, describe a time when you helped someone. Describe a time when you helped someone, and after that they always give you 4 bullet points. Whom you help, why did you help him, when you help him, explain what are the reasons that motivated you to help to that guy. Okay, and if you get this kind of questions, okay, how you should speak, let me give you example. Okay, I am not going to speak here much, especially for IELTS speaking part 2 video. You can see my other videos in YouTube. Here I am going to speak at least for 30 to 40 seconds only. I am not going to give you long answers, but you have to give long answers in IELTS speaking part 1. Just how you should explain, I am going to provide you sample only. Let me repeat the questions. Describe a time when you helped someone. Okay, I am going to give answer of these questions. Well, a few months ago, I helped my friend prepare for his English exam. He was struggling with grammar, so I explained some important rules and gave him practice exercises. After a week of practice, he felt more confident and passed the exam with a good score. I felt really happy that I could support him. Okay, you have to give answers to your IELTS examiner in IELTS speaking part 2. Now, let me give you a few tips about IELTS speaking part 3. IELTS speaking part 3 is discussion questions. Here, you have to give longer answer. Longer answer demonstrates your linguistic capability. Okay? And you always have to give reasons. You always have to give examples. Okay? If the IELTS examiner is going to ask questions like this, how has technology changed way people communicate? If they ask questions like, how has technology changed the way people communicate? Okay, if they ask this kind of questions, how you should give answers? I'm gonna give extended and logical answers. Okay, again I'm repeating questions. How has technology changed the way people communicate? I'm gonna give answer. Technology has completely transformed communication. In the past, people depended on letters and face-to-face conversation, but now messaging apps and video calls have made it faster and more convenient. For example, I can instantly talk to my relatives living in another country. However, some argue that digital communication reduces personal interaction, which can weaken our relationship. So in IELTS speaking part 3, if you get questions like this, how has technology changed the way people communicate? Okay, what you have to do, you have to compare past and present. Okay, in the past, people had some kind of difficulties in order to do conversations, especially on cell phone. But these days, everybody has smart cell phones. Everybody has iPhone. Okay, they can talk very easily. And you have to compare about the past and present. In the past, people had difficulties. At present, people don't have any kind of difficulties. Even though the relatives are far away from their residence, they can talk on Messenger, on WhatsApp very easily. And always you have to give example. At least minimum one example you should provide. If possible, you can provide even 2 examples also. And if you get questions like or questions, okay, you have to discuss both sides. Okay, discuss both benefits and drawbacks. Okay, this is how you should give answers in IELTS speaking part 3. At last, I would like to thanks to all of you for watching this YouTube video. If you have found this video extremely helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. I always upload videos about the English language, IELTS and PT, so please stay tuned for more. If you are looking to join IELTS and PT classes, I offer both online and offline classes at reasonable fees. You can join my classes at various consultancies and language institute in Kathmandu. Feel free to contact me directly at 98650 90939 to learn more about the classes. Thank you very much.